Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Okay, so today I would like to show you a very easy way to solo with your G dominant bebop scale in the key of F. So I'm going to explain what that scale is, and then I'm going to because most of you have heard bebop, 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 and then it sounds very big. So and then you're like, what is it? Okay, so all right. So I'm going to just show you a very simple one. You know, I introduce you to these things in a very simple way. Okay, so we're going to be in the key of F. Okay, so but before I show you this, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you click the subscribe button. Also, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, you can see the flyer on the screen. I don't need to really talk much on this. Get it is a pre-recorded course. I taught all those stuff you are seeing on the flyer, everything for about 2 hours. So it's available to people in Nigeria for 7.5. It's available to people overseas abroad for $12 only. All right. So if you need to get your copy, check the description of this video for the link to get your copy right away. All right. God bless you. Okay. So let's say we are in the key of F. Okay. So and then something takes you to your 6. Let's say we do a 7, 3, 6. So now, what is G dominant bebop scale? G dominant bebop scale consists of the notes G, your 1. Normally, a dominant bebop scale contains your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flattened 7th, your 7th, natural 7th, and then of course your 1. So that's what's happening here. So the notes of the G dominant bebop scale here is G, A, B, C, D, E, F, right? So this is the flattened. Then we have the F sharp note also. All right. So but naturally this is like a what's it called? A natural note. Okay. So now what you can use any of these notes. Sorry. So you can use any of these notes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. You can use any of them on your 6. Right? Right? Or so you can do A, B, D, E to F sharp. Then you do on your 6, right? And then escape back to your 2. So these are simple stuff you can actually do work on. So now this needs you to practice. This is not me giving you some kind of bread now. This is me giving you how to actually make it. I'm actually giving you the key to a bakery. All right. So I just gave you the key to a bakery. So that means you'll be able to get a lot of stuff from this. Get lots of stuff from this. So make sure you explore this. Come out with even more finer lines. And cool. And let me know what comes up with this. And I'll be expecting you to come also for the intermediate piano course. You won't regret getting this. God bless you. Bye.